So here, her face is, can you take her video? It's so funny. Oh, yeah. Just try a little. How are you? Every baby loves pears. I don't understand. How is this even possible? She likes only avocado. It's the only food she likes. You can't live on avocado. Sweet potatoes you don't like.
Squash she didn't like.
No, she doesn't even like milk. All over your neck, dude.
Give her something else.
Give her something else. What am I supposed to give her? Mix it with cereal. I think she likes it with cereal. How about cereal with pears? Huh? How about that? Let's try that. How about this? Okay, no more.
Give her something she likes.
What?